Memes for Goofball Reacts by the one and only Watermelon Cat. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I don't know what to expect. It's a shorter compilation than the last one. My average viewer duration is like 40 seconds, so maybe it's a good thing. Shorter the better. Tell that to my ex. Whatever. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure... We didn't even... Bro. Let's just start the video. I'm getting so off topic. Oh my god. That's me. You don't overtake a truck. I know a lot of you guys are not old enough to apparently understand my gibberish. You can rear end one 300 miles per hour and it would scratch it. Like, it won't even feel it. They're built like a truck for a reason. Wait, what did that say? So it was like, wait again? L ate, but the kid's name is L, and he ate, so he's doing a little dance. That's hilarious, dude. Oh, my ex left me too. Dude thinks he sells Sigma. What the Sigma? Or however the meme goes, I don't really know.
Look at this devious ASF walk. You just bring
Wait, how'd you do that? How'd you, like, make it disappear? What? That moment when a fish has kissed someone even before you have. Kill me. Whoa, bro, I'm too high. I mean tired. I'm tired. Too tired to be seeing epileptic Gen Z humor. Oh my... That's me playing like any sport right there. I friggin' hate sports because I suck at them. Holy crap. That green guy's basically Luigi wins by doing literally nothing. Have you guys seen those videos? Stop spitting. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Surprised how I haven't seen like a dirty edit of that video. Dwayne the Cock Johnson. Hard as a rock. Okay, I don't. Never take cough syrup before filming a video.
You know you can't fall down the stairs, they're already at the bottom. Oh my god, my bone!
If that were to happen to me, my ears would burn so bad. Mom, turn the AC off! Fuck!
You look real sassy over there. You think that funny lever? I'm gonna need this Fortnite quarterback. You're sassy, I'm trying to get...
Oh, whoa. Bro, already this video's like in ×7 speed. On top of that, you're putting epileptic Gen Z humor on here. Do you want me to suffer a seizure on camera, you ducking foot? What is going on anymore? Oh my god, bro. I'm too hot. I'm on cough syrup. Wake up. It's the first of the month. Stash, slash, slash.
Somebody on you.
I've seen that.
Nice.
Huh? What was even chasing you? You can tell how old this is because I saw Nathaniel B reference. That meme was from August of 2022. I remember when that meme first came out. Okay, you know what? Screw it. Yeah, video over. You've put way too many society clips in this video, but dude, holy crap, this was hilarious. That might just be because I'm off the cough syrup a little bit. Let's just call it cough syrup. Shut up. Sorry for the delayed reaction, and it'll probably go out even later, bro. I'm sorry. I'm just been really busy. This is for everybody out there. I'm sorry for, like, reacting to your videos late. I'm just super busy IRL right now. I have a lot going on, and I'm gonna make a post about this on the community page, but I'm not even gonna be making videos for an entire week. Like, full-length videos, but I guess who cares? Nobody watches these. Whatever. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Oh man, now my mental state's all through the roof. Whatever. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to my man Watermelon Cat, and we are done.